Welcome to 20 Cars, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive updates, and everything you need to know about your favorite vehicles. In this video, we dive into the 2025 Toyota Etios, exploring its features, specifications, and what makes it stand out in the competitive market. The 2025 Toyota Etios is a compact sedan that perfectly balances practicality, performance, and affordability. Built with Toyota's reputation for reliability, this model is designed to cater to daily commuters and small families. The exterior design has been updated with a modern look, featuring sleek lines, a bold front grille, and stylish LED headlamps. Its aerodynamic structure not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. The overall build quality reflects Toyota's commitment to durability and safety. Under the hood, the 2025 Etios is powered by a refined 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, delivering a smooth driving experience with a power output of around 100 horsepower. For those seeking even greater efficiency, Toyota offers a hybrid variant that combines an electric motor with the petrol engine, offering better mileage and lower emissions. The car is paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a continuously variable transmission for seamless gear shifts. The ride quality is further enhanced by its well-tuned suspension, ensuring comfort on various road conditions. Inside, the Etios offers a spacious and practical cabin with premium materials and a user-friendly layout. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with ample legroom and headroom for passengers in both the front and rear. The dashboard is equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Other features include automatic climate control, a multi-function steering wheel, and a well-thought-out storage space to meet the needs of modern-day users. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Etios is no exception. The car is equipped with advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, a rear-view camera, and parking sensors. Toyota's commitment to safety extends to its platform, which is designed to absorb impacts effectively, protecting passengers in case of a collision. The car also includes a host of driver assistance features, such as lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control in higher trims. The 2025 Toyota Etios offers excellent value for money with its competitive pricing and low maintenance costs. It is an ideal choice for those seeking a dependable, feature-packed sedan that doesn't compromise on performance or style. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for an upgrade, the Etios is a strong contender in its segment. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, features, and comparisons, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join the 20 Cars community and explore the world of automobiles with us.